Hi everyone, Miss Cotran here. I hope you are happy and healthy. I want to explain the coronavirus project that you have for this week. So you're going to be researching and answering one of the following questions. So choose one out of these three. Number one, how can I stay safe and healthy during this coronavirus outbreak? Number two, what should I do if I start to feel sick? Number three, what should I do if a member of my household is sick, like a family member? Now, to answer these questions, you can select how you want to present the information. So you could do the Google Slides that I have attached. You could fill one of those slides out. You could make a TikTok video or a YouTube video. Now, if you choose to do the slides, I've made a copy for each one of you, the coronavirus project. You have your title, put your name. It has question one, question two, question three. So let's talk about question one. How can I stay safe and healthy? Hopefully, you're all still safe and healthy during this coronavirus outbreak. Now, this has a source right here for your research. So, this is what you would read. It is from the Center for Disease Control, the CDC. And again, how do you protect yourself? How do you stay safe? So, this has the best information. The bold, big titles here are kind of what you want to talk about. And then also it has some other bullet points. So you want to prevent being exposed to the virus by washing your hands often, using hand sanitizer, avoid touching your eyes, your mouth, your nose, avoid close contact with people, make sure you have 6 feet of distance between you and someone else. When you go out, CDC recommends to cover your mouth and your nose with cloth, a face cover. If you sneeze and cough, cover your sneeze and coughs, and clean and disinfect commonly used surfaces. So all of that you could bullet point, you can copy and paste, put it in your own words, shorten it. Tell me what you know about staying safe, all right? But also research first. Now let's say you would rather make a video. Well, if you want to make a video, guess what? I have provided some scripts of what you can say. So you could read directly off of these scripts. If you're answering question number one, how do I stay healthy right now? In a video, you could explain to me what coronavirus does, and then you can tell me all these 5 things, right? Stay at home, wear a face mask, everything I just told you. If you want to make and also read this if you're not sure. Maybe read all of it, right? Just in case you're not sure what to do. Just in case you start to feel sick or someone in your house gets sick, I want you to read these, read what you need to do, the 5 things you need to do. So you can use these to make a video. Let me give you an example, okay? So I showed you this one, If you look at the project instructions, the 3rd page, okay? Now, this is a project that most biology classes are doing, not just ours. If we scroll down, first page has, we'll talk about the first page in a minute, but the 3rd page has some examples of TikToks, all right? So here's mine. Here's my TikTok that I made, and I was answering question number 1 that we were just talking about. I really gotta hold on. Okay. Now let's say you actually want to speak and maybe use someone else's audio. Here's Mr. Fort's example, and he's answering question number 3. What should I do if someone in my house gets sick?
If someone in your house is sick, you can help. Protect, call, treat, monitor, prep. Protect other family members from infection. Keep sick people in a room by themselves. Wash your hands anytime you go in or out. Call your family doctor. Let them know what's going on. Be prepared to describe temperature and breathing patterns. Treat their symptoms just like you would a cold. Give them plenty of water and soup. Keep them warm, keep them comfortable. Monitor their symptoms. Write down their temperature every 4 hours. Fever over 105, call 911. Struggling for breath, call 911. Prep for hospitalization. Be ready for paramedics to come. Pack a bag with warm clothes and all the medications that the sick person takes, you can make a difference.
Okay. If you wanted to use Mr. Fort's sound, he's at John 75940. Okay. If you wanted to use his sound for your video. Okay. So now we get to kind of the way that the week breaks down. Tuesdays when I assign a project, we do a Google Meet at 1:00. This is where you can get your questions answered and I explain the project. Tuesdays and Thursdays, you're going to notice you need to do the check-in form. I do grade this. So check-in form is here. It's also found on Google Classroom. And this is just where you're putting today's date, how you're doing, questions you have, and what you're grateful for, just to, again, bring the positive to mind. Now, the questions you have might be about the project. So what I'd like to do is on Thursdays, Google Meet again, answer those questions. You finish your project. And if you need any more help with it, you could request a one-on-one meeting. Now, the way you do a one-on-one meeting or get more help is on Mondays and Wednesdays. You could get help from 2 to 2:30, or you could request a one-on-one meeting on Friday. So this is another form, and it's called Google Meet sign up. So if you want to have a Google Meet with me, or Miss G or Mr. Mitchell, that would be 2:00 Monday or Wednesday, or a one-on-one meeting on Friday. You tell me when you're available. I'm available from 9 to 2. Typically, sometimes I have trainings. Okay. So it's just good to fill out this form to let me know that you need extra help and you want to meet via video. Okay. So that's the project. You're either doing making slides or making a video, and it is due on Monday. Okay. So you can take the weekend to do it if you need to. The idea is that your project would be due at noon on Friday. I usually do grades and update grades on Monday, but if you need to turn it in later, again, just turn it in. Okay? All right. Have a great day. I hope to see you on Google Meet very soon.